So when I met these people, the homeowner for this particular job where I'm sitting, I had walked in and said, so what are you looking for? What are the things that you'd like to see? And she said, I want one of everything that's on your website, which sounds really good. However, I rarely want to duplicate the exact same thing over and over. Now, I've done grottos before. I've done a lot of the different features, but I don't ever want to do them the same way. So we're sitting inside of, this is the grotto, but it's certainly different than any of the grottos that I've ever done before. This, we're almost trying to create a cave so that there's a really small entrance and you come in and it opens up in here, so there'll be lots of seating. You can get 5, 6, 7, 8 people in here. They can still stand up. We're not worried about hitting their heads. And this is a rough structure. We'll shotcrete it tomorrow to get our basic shape, build our boulders to create the entrance the better the way we want it. And then from there, we'll do our carving coats, and we'll come in here and we'll hand carve and create some shelves and put some lighting in here. We're gonna have, there's almost this idea of what would you imagine would be if you swam into a cave in a pirate's cove? What might you find in there? And that's kind of what we're gonna duplicate in here. What kind of cool things could we put in here, embed in the cement, carve around, have relics and antiques and things that sort of fit the genre. That's what that'll be like in here. So I guess her saying what she wants one of everything, really what she was saying is I want something that's completely different. Or that's how I interpreted it, and that's why I'm giving her that, something completely different.